The thing is, if you watch a baby, they breathe rapidly, really rapidly, shallow and rapid.
Mm.
Their heartbeat is faster and their breathing is faster than ours. So our aim is to get our breathing back to rapid and shallow. Rapid in comparison to what we were doing before.
Mm.
So that was Buteyko's big discovery. He went to the maternity ward and watched the babies breathing, and then he went to the geriatric ward and watched the old people breathing, which is very different.
Oh yeah, yep. But yes, I've worked as a dance therapist with older people, and conversely, I've had a few years of brand new grandchildren being born. Then my latest granddaughter, I was watching her when when she was quite small, and I thought, oh, how do they do that? That breathing, like I was just observing, like you were saying, that constant little movement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the sad thing is, it only takes a few weeks for babies to just adopt chest breathing and mouth breathing.
Yep.
Mouth breathing is chest breathing.
Yeah, well, I've noticed that with her. She's now 14 months old, and she does a lot of mouth breathing. Yeah, which is a shame. Yeah.
Buteyko's whole thing was to stop the mouth breathing, if nothing else, just to stop it. Just with children, you just do that with them.
All right. So they get the idea. Oh, right. I'll have to try it. It's my granddaughter.
Buteyko's whole thing was to stop the mouth breathing, if nothing else, just to stop it.